So hello everyone, that was the sound test of my KTT strawberries that were hanging around for quite some time in my stash, and finally had the time to lube them. Really not a fan of lubing, but I posted a post on our local community page, and some of the content creators out there did give their suggestion, and really happy. Pusakal suggested that I only lube the stem because it will help retain the sound of the switch, the housing of the switch, which is really, really good. And Merkib suggested to do the tube lubing process, wherein it's kind of like bag lubing the spring. So I place tub lubing process. I'm sorry, not tube, tub lubing process on the stems. So I placed the stems on a jar and placed in the Crytox 205 grade 0 on the surface of the jar, and then shook it really hard, and really impressed by the results of this. Do check out Pusakal and Merkib's channel, two awesome content creators here in the Philippines, and I really love the outcome. The KTT strawberries are one of the best KTT switches that I have tried, and I'm planning to do a full review of it, but for now we'll keep it at that. So really wonderful sound profile. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.